Hello, as I've come to say a few words about this course and how it's a rather special course. It's special and it's very dear to my heart because the main motivation in giving this course has been to get people like you treating children. There's an awful lot of children out there who need help, millions of them, and there's even in your area there will be thousands of them who could benefit from help. And I want to start treating those children, and that's why that's the prime motivation for this course. What's also special about it is it's about real life. It's about what really happens in the clinic. You read the indications for points like Ding Chuan. It says calms asthma, but will it work? And so the course is, yeah, well, this is when it'll work, this is when it won't work. It's very much geared to real life and my experience and experience of other people as well. Another thing is we try to give you support in this. The support in the way of giving you exercises in patients, in cases to study, which are about real life, but also we have regular online sessions, live sessions, where you can ask any question you want about treating children, and I'll do my best to answer it. If I can't answer it, well, then you've got a problem, haven't you? Also, I'd like to say about the course is it will help even if you don't want to treat children. It'll be very helpful in your practice. It'll help you to illuminate, help you to understand what's going on, why the child is behaving why it is, why it's sick, and more than that, it'll help you to understand why your adults are getting sick, because every adult was once a child, and the illnesses that adults have very often start in childhood, very early on, first 6 months, a year, 2 years of life. The illnesses which they're going to get have already got into play. And I've tried to make it easy to understand, and I think without boasting, that's one of the things which I'm quite good at. As an example of this, the very first course that was actually recorded on video was some 25 years or more ago. The photographer, who knew nothing about acupuncture, nothing about Chinese medicine, he came up to me afterwards and said, "Your course has really helped me. Now I understand how to look after my children when they're sick, and how to look after them so they're not sick." You know, he just, because he could suddenly see what was going on. So it's not couched in too technical a language that ordinary people can't understand. And then also I can say that many of the students on the course have come up to me and said, now I understand why I'm ill and why it's so difficult to cure, and now I know what I need to do to help my health. And so all of these things, I mean, they're very nice for me because they give me a little pat on the back. But more than that, it's a reason why you should study the course, because it'll help you in every way, even if you decide not to treat children. So anyway, join the course and have fun.
With you more information about Julian's new online Level 1 skills training program. If you are busy and want to study at your own pace, as well as enjoy the benefit of connecting with Julian and others in real time, this Level 1 skills training course is for you. This online learning course is designed so that you choose how, when, and where you learn. By enrolling today, you have access to all the course material for a whole year. This course covers everything you need to know to get started or to consolidate your practice treating children with acupuncture and dietary advice. After doing this course, we guarantee that you will have the knowledge, skills, and confidence to expand your acupuncture practice. To see what you get when you click on Get Access Now, read through the course outline below this video. You'll be taken to our secure payment system where you can choose to pay with PayPal or credit card. Enter your details and make sure you subscribe to our email list to be kept up to date. Once the payment is confirmed, you'll be taken to our courses library where you'll see your new Level 1 Skills Training course, plus free access to our ADHD course. Click on View Course and you will see you'll have access to over 30 video tutorials covering everything you need to know to get started treating children. There are 3 modules including case studies, as well as 3 live webinar classrooms with Julian and 2 peer support networking sessions where you can meet other like-minded people on the course. We also have an active WhatsApp group and email GoogleGroups so that you are supported and connected every step of the way. Simply click on the link below this video, download the course overview here, to learn more about what is covered in this course. In addition to the video training, you'll have an ebook of course notes for each module, which are extracts from all of Julian's textbooks, so you can read the theory and download and print a copy to refer back to. Because you have access to everything up front, you decide as and when it suits you to learn. You can access this course whenever you like and as many times as you like for a whole year. After each module, you'll be required to take a quiz and achieve a 70% pass mark. On completion, you'll get a CPD certificate for 20 points or hours. This course is usually $747, but we have a special offer for you. Click on Get Access Now and get instant access today for just $597, saving you $150 today. So take advantage of this special offer and enroll today. Click Get Access Now. And as a special bonus, we're offering you free access to our ADHD course. So that's a saving of $99 only if you enroll today. So don't miss out. Click Get Access Now.